Hello everyone, today I am going to show how to paint a bulb. The requirements we need are a bulb, set of paints, set of paint brushes, glass of water, a plate to mix, and today I chose green color onto the bulb and I have given one coat onto the bulb. Now let's give the second coat for the bulb. After complete drying of the bulb, now let's take the white paint and paint some flowers on it like this.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise.
Like this we have to complete the painting, and this is how it looks after the painting is done. This is how the final look of the bulb. Let's just make it simple. So I have took this idea of flowers on the green background with white flowers. So this is it. Thank you for watching.